Hi friends, welcome to Infotainment Bangalore. Friends, today I'll be helping you to get a international level e-quiz certificate on Python. This quiz is a beginner level quiz. Friends, go to the link which is provided in the description box and enter your email address, your full name, your stream or professional designation, name of the college in which you are currently studying in. After entering the name of the college, enter today's date or select today's date. And here are the questions. What are some characteristics of the Python programming language? Check all that apply. And I'm selecting the answers which are all applicable for this question. Next question, how does Python compare to other programming languages? And the answer for this question is each programming language has its advantage and disadvantage. The answer for next question is false. The elif keyword is used to handle more than two comparison cases, and the output for this is Ryan is 20 years old, and the output for the next question is JLF. The value of this expression 11 modulus 5 is 2. Choose the correct answer, and the answer is true. For this question, answer is pop t us. Next question is failure to initialize variables. The answer for next question is oats is no maybe. None of the above is the answer for the next question. What is the output? And the output for this question is within the brackets red, inside the double quotes, comma, white within the double quotes, comma, green within the double quotes, comma, followed by blue within the double quotes, and close the bracket. What is the output of the following code? And the answer is JLF. Suppose we have two sets A and B, then A subset of B is true if A is proper subset of B. And the next answer is int. The output of this question is 0, 1, 8, 27, 64 within the brackets. And the output for the next question is within the bracket 0, 4, 16, 36, 64. Close the bracket. The output of the next one is within the brackets 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Now close the brackets. Random dot sample, sample list, comma 4 is the answer. Enter your contact number now, your city, and give the feedback about the quiz. Now click on submit. After clicking on submit, you will get a captcha. Select the pictures which contains bicycle. Once you verify yourself, the certificate will be generated and it will be sent to your mail ID which you have entered in the place of email address. Friends, hope this video was very useful for you all to getting certificate. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.